Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of HSBC Holdings PLC versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. This case has been reported in 457 ITR at page number 316. The matter has been decided by Telangana High Court and the date of the judgment is 20th April 2023. This case is also related to the reopening of the cases under section 148. As all we know that section 48 is being used by the department since the faceless assessment has come into existence very casually, and whatever the notices for scrutiny are coming, they are more or less coming under section 148, and there are very few cases which come across of section 143 subsection 3 regular assessment. In the past times, section 148 notice was issued very sparingly, but nowadays section 148 notice are now a very common thing. When we were in the regime that we have go to the department and have our cases done at the department, whenever the assessment was going on, there was always a fear that if the assessing officer will get annoyed or if he will get offended, then there is every possibility at that time also that he can reopen our cases for the previous years also. The question arises that if during the assessment of a particular year, if the assessing officer comes across some material on the basis of which he forms a belief that income has escaped of the previous years, whether in those cases the assessing officer can issue the notice on the basis of the material which have been discovered by the assessing officer during the assessment of that particular year, whether he can go beyond that and issue the notice under section 148. This was the case which was covered in this case. The assessment was going on for the assessment year 14-15. The assessing officer came across with some material on the basis of which he formed a belief that the income of the assessment year 11-12 has already escaped. So he issued the notice under section 148 for the assessment year 11-12 also, and the assessee went to the writ court for questioning of this notice by saying that the assessing officer cannot do so and he does not have the material, he does not have the reason to believe to reopen the case. The court said that in this case, the assessing officer has been successful in demonstrating that there is a live link, there is a connection between the material discovered and the belief formed by the assessing officer. The court also said that the belief was formed on the direct evidence which have been discovered by the assessing officer during the assessment of the assessment year 14-15, and on that basis the assessing officer issued the notice for the assessment year 11-12. Friends, as far as this case is concerned, there is no issue. But if we see this case in the broader perspective, then this is a very dangerous situation for an assessee. There is no certainty about the assessments, because whenever the assessments are going on and if the assessing officer issues the notice for the previous years also by calling the information for the previous years during the assessment of this year, then this will be a very risky case for the assessee, and it can end up the assessee with a lot of litigation, a lot of tax burden and a lot of uncertainty, which is not good for any tax administration system. These type of reopening should be avoided, because when these reopenings will be allowed, then the assessing officer can use this power in a very dangerous manner, and this can be very ruthless for the assessee. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is HSBC Holdings PLC versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 457 ITR Act page number 316. The matter has been decided by Telangana High Court and the date of the judgment is 20th April 2023. Thank you, friends.